What has eyes but can't see? A vision board that's empty. Today we're going to fill in that blank vision board and help you visualize your success for 2024. Sounds exciting, right? Now let's talk about the power of vision. It's a powerful force that can steer your life in the direction of your dreams. Imagine looking at a board filled with images, words, and items that represent your goals and aspirations. This tangible representation of your dreams can be a motivating force, pushing you towards your goals. Vision boards have been around for a while, and they have been used by some of the most successful people in the world. Take Steve Harvey, for instance. This man went from being homeless to hosting one of the most popular game shows on television. How did he do it? Well, he credits much of his success to his vision board. And then there's the queen of talk shows herself, Oprah Winfrey. She's a firm believer in the power of vision boards and has used them to manifest her dreams into reality. And look where it's taken her. But let's get one thing straight. A vision board is not a magical wish-granting genie. It won't make your dreams come true overnight, but what it can do is provide you with a clear vision of what you want to achieve. It's a constant reminder of your goals and aspirations, keeping you motivated and focused. You might not achieve everything on your vision board by the end of the year, and that's okay. The point of a vision board is not to tick off all the boxes, but to guide you towards your goals. It's like a compass, pointing you in the right direction. So, are you ready to set your compass for 2024? Grab your scissors, your glue, and your dreams. Let's fill that empty vision board with your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. Welcome to The Secret Place TV, dedicated to raising winners and breeding champions. Our channel empowers ordinary individuals to transcend into extraordinary beings, embracing a life of excellence and embodying the mindset of global leaders while unlocking their full potential. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and give the video a like. Now let's get back to vision board. Remember, a vision board is not a magical tool, but a means to clarify and concentrate on your life goals. First things first, you need to reflect and decide what you want to achieve. This is crucial, because a vision board is not just a collage of pretty pictures, it's a tool that will help you manifest your dreams and goals into reality. So let's take a moment to think about what we want. If this is your first time on this channel, do you want to start a business, or maybe you want to travel more? Or perhaps you're looking to improve your health and fitness. The key here is to be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, I want to be healthy, say, I want to run a marathon. Instead of, I want to travel, say, I want to visit Paris. You see, when you are specific, your goals become more tangible, more real. Don't be afraid to dream big, but also ensure your goals are realistic and achievable. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so take a moment, reflect, and jot down your aspirations for 2024. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to gather your materials. And don't worry, you won't need a Picasso's art kit to get started. Let's keep it simple, yet effective. Imagine being part of a community supporting your journey, sharing your aspirations, and celebrating your victories. That's what you'll get when you subscribe to our channel. Plus, you'll be the first to know about our new videos and updates. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now, and let's make 2024 a year of growth, success, and fulfillment together. Your journey to unlocking your full potential starts here. Now let's get back to the vision board business. To create a vision board, firstly, you'll need a board. This could be a corkboard, a poster board, or even a piece of cardboard. This is your canvas, where you'll stick to your dreams and aspirations. Next, you'll need some magazines. These are the treasure chests where you'll find images and words that resonate with your goals. Don't have any? No problem. Thrift stores, libraries, or your friendly neighbor might have some they're ready to part with. Then grab a pair of scissors and some glue. These will be your tools to cut out your chosen images and stick them onto your board. Lastly, you might want to consider markers, stickers, or any other decorative items to add a personal touch. Remember, the more diverse your materials, the more creative your vision board will be. You've got your materials, now let's get creative. Take a moment to look at the images and words you've collected. Feel the energy they emit. These visual representations of your dreams and goals are about to take a tangible form. Start by arranging them in a way that feels right to you. There's no wrong way to do this, so let your intuition guide you. As you place each image, think about its significance and what it represents for you. This is your vision, your dream. Make it count. Once you're happy with the arrangement, it's time to secure them. Grab your glue and affix each piece firmly onto the board. Remember, the goal here is to create a visually appealing and inspiring collage that resonates with your aspirations. This isn't just a craft project, it's a powerful manifestation tool. Your board should be a reflection of your dreams, so make it as vibrant and inspiring as possible. Your board is ready, now it's time for some introspection. Before we get to that, remember your like and subscription to The Secret Place TV means a lot to us. If you are yet to do the necessary, kindly like and hit the subscribe button. Now let go. So you've assembled your vision board, a colorful collage of hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It's a tangible representation of your imagined future. But its power doesn't stop at creation. The magic happens when you start to interact with it daily. Think of your vision board as a living document, a snapshot of your journey to success that's constantly evolving. It's not something to be created and then forgotten. Instead, it requires your attention, your focus, and your interaction. It's a tool to ignite your motivation and remind you of the direction you want your life to take. Picture this. You wake up each morning and the first thing you see is your vision board. The images, the words, the colors, all reminding you of your dreams and goals. It's a powerful way to start your day, isn't it? But it's not just about looking at your vision board. It's about truly seeing it, reflecting on it, understanding the progress you've made towards your goals, and acknowledging the steps you've taken. Reviewing your vision board regularly allows you to check in with yourself. Are you on track? Are you moving closer to your dreams? If not, what's holding you back? It's a chance to reassess, to recalibrate, and to recommit to your journey. Remember, the journey to success is rarely a straight line. There will be twists and turns, highs and lows, but your vision board serves as a beacon guiding you towards your dreams. So take the time to review your vision board. Reflect on your progress. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Recognize the challenges and the lessons learned. And above all, remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Regularly reviewing your vision board will keep your goals fresh in your mind and motivate you to strive harder. Because after all, your dreams are worth chasing. Hey, I have a question for you. Have you received any value from this video yet? If yes, comment value in the comment section below. Also remember to like and subscribe. The final step is to place your vision board in a location where you'll see it every day. This is crucial, because the more you see your board, the more you'll be reminded of your goals, and the more your mind will work on ways to achieve them. It's a way of keeping your dreams and aspirations in your line of sight, literally and figuratively. You could place it in your office, where you spend a significant chunk of your day, or perhaps in your bedroom, so it's the first thing you see when you wake up and the last thing you see before you sleep. Some people even place it in their kitchen, as they spend a lot of time there. The key is to put it somewhere you'll encounter frequently. Think about your daily routines and choose the location that works best for you. Wherever you place it, make sure it's somewhere that you'll see it every day. And there you have it, your very own vision board for 2024. We've journeyed together through the power of visualization, understanding the significance of a vision board, and how it can help you shape a better life. Remember, folks like Steve Harvey and Oprah Winfrey have used this tool to their advantage. And now you can too. Let's take a quick stroll down the lanes we've just crossed. First, we dove into the power of vision, understanding how our mind works and how visualization can be a game changer. Then we moved on to reflecting and deciding what you truly want from this year. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for your vision board. Next, we gathered our materials. This is where the fun really begins. We assembled our magazines, markers, scissors, and glue, and got ready for the main event. Following this, we arranged and glued our images and words onto our board. This was the creative part, where we let our imagination run wild, designing our vision board as per our dreams and aspirations. After our board was ready, we reviewed and reflected on the images and words we've chosen. This is an important step to ensure that what we've created truly resonates with our aspirations. Finally, we placed our vision board in a spot where we can see it every day, reminding us constantly of our goals and fueling our motivation to achieve them. Now, it's your turn. I encourage you to start creating your vision board right away. It's a fun and fulfilling exercise that can really give your dreams a tangible form. And remember, it's not about achieving everything on the board by the end of the year. It's about setting the path and working towards your goals. So, which of these steps are you willing to commit to immediately? Is it reflecting on your goals, gathering your materials, or placing your board in a spot where you'll see it every day? Always remember, this is the Secret Place TV, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Comment below which step you're committing to first. See you in the next video.